Globally, air pollution has become a severe threat to mankind. The quality of air we breathe is getting depleting day by day. Particulate pollution is increasing in urban areas due to increase in vehicle traffic, industrial activities, domestic fuel burning, and other activities. Dust and particulate pollution inside the factories, industries, are severely affecting the health of workers, and creates problems in high-end machineries, electronics, which decreases the quality of final products. In material processing sites, wastage of materials in the form of dust from the exhaust is causing a huge material loss for the site owners. Domestic air pollution from kitchen exhausts and fireworks are deteriorating the indoor air quality. Lack of fresh and clean air in working habitat is the main reason for the decrease in work concentration and productivity. Nowadays, people are suffering from mental illness like stress, depression, anxiety, and all these problems can be cured by breathing fresh and clean air. Considering all these scenarios, we are introducing a new and ideal solution for all these problems. We are the pioneers in manufacturing best custom-built pollution control equipments and air purifiers. We offer products for the dust and soot collection from exhausts and other air purifiers. All products can be customizable. Thin film technology. Thin film technology is one of the recent and advanced technology known for the air pollution control, and is capable of filtering air and eliminating all the pollutants. Self-cleaning, no filter replacement, capable to work under extreme temperature conditions, and requires less maintenance are the key features of this technology. This is a patent-pending technology, and is being incorporated in all the products from our company. This technology is based on multi-level filtration system. Multi-level filtration system mainly comprises of 4 filter units, arranged according to their filtration capacity. The polluted air is made to pass through all the filter units, to leave out fresh air. Pre-filter. This traps all the pollutants which are greater than 10 micrometers in size. Coarse particle filter. This filter unit is to collect all the pollutants which ranges from 2.5 micrometer to 10 micrometer. Basically, this filter is for the PM10 particles. Fine particle filter. All the fine particles, such as pollutants ranges from PM1 to PM2.5, will be trapped in this filter. Ultra fine particle filter. This filter traps all the small particles, which ranges below PM1 particles in size. We have categorized our products into 3 main types, based on their applications, such as indoor products, outdoor products, and industrial dust collectors. Indoor air purifiers. These products are useful in keeping our homes fresh, by providing clean air, and are developed to capture all the indoor pollutants. These indoor products are not just limited to purifying air, but also provided with air conditioning units, thus acts as multi-functional products. We are offering 3 basic products for indoor application. Ayur Air. An Ayurvedic air purifier, with goodness of Ayurveda, is a new smart device, built with herbal roots. It purifies air, cools, and adds goodness of Ayurveda to the fresh air. Diffusion of herbal roots to the air acts as aromatherapeutic. Herbal roots are rich in qualitative antioxidants, which increases immune system, heals, and calms mind, hence decreases anxiety, pressure, and stress, help to be more focused. People suffering from mental stress, depression, find the presence of Ayur air calming. The healing properties of Ayur air make it a must-have air purifier in the house, office, and any other places. An indoor air purifier for commercial purposes. This air purifier with highly effective performance, captures all the indoor air pollutants, and is very advanced and affordable. The features like less noisy, user-friendly, safe to install, customizability, and normal power consumption will make the device more sustainable. This product is more suitable for commercial indoors such as offices, museums, schools, colleges, hospitals, hotels, restaurants, and other. An indoor air purifier for domestic purposes. This product is same as air purifier for commercial purpose, but with added some more specifications to it. This air purifier is better suited for homes. With automatic air quality detection and regulation system, and fluid refilling system, the device can be controlled over both remote and an app. No maintenance is required for this air purifier. Industrial dust collectors. Dust is caused by both indoor and outdoor activities in industries. Regular dust collectors are not just enough for the industrial dust, but specially designed and developed dust collectors are required to eliminate the particular dust type. We have developed two different products to trap industrial dusts. Asphalt dust collector. Industrial dust collector for manufacturing floors. This product is the base model and is designed to collect asphalt dust from the exhaust of the asphalt mixer. Different variants can be designed and developed regarding its requirement in different dust types. This product is customizable, requires regular AC power supply, works on fluid circulation system, requires comparatively less or no maintenance, designed with high filtration capacity, effective dust collection system, traps and stores all the dust that is coming in. Low power consumption. Filters are effective and doesn't clog. No need to replace filter material. This product is temperature resistive and works under extreme temperature conditions like -75 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. Robust and non-corrosive metal body. Regular servicing of the device is required to enhance the performance and filtration capacity. Industrial dust collector for manufacturing floors. This device absorbs all the dust inside the industries. Requires regular AC power supply, low power consumption, requires less or no maintenance, high filtration capacity, customizability, no clogging of filters, robust and non-corrosive metal body, service-oriented, and easy maintenance are the key features of this device. To keep our surrounding air clean and fresh, we are introducing an outdoor air purifier, which traps and collects all the harmful air pollutants around us. With the name P-Paltry, it is specially designed to install in public places, where the atmospheric air is at its highest pollution concentration. It is safe to install in public places like traffic junctions, bus stops, and other. A highly efficient device can eliminate air pollutants like carbon dioxide, oxides of nitrogen, sulfur dioxide, and other particulate matters. It has a weather-resistant rigid metal body and is scalable. It is eco-friendly, less noisy, and safe to install. On its performance scale, it has a capacity to filter 1 crore liters of fresh air per day, which is sufficient to breathe for 900 to 1000 humans per day. We regularly invest time in researching and building sustainable products, with the purpose of finding solution to these global problems, devoting attention to improve the quality of air we breathe. Know more about us on internet. For any queries, please feel free to contact us through our email and website.